Hello friends, get those mittens ready because today we're about to embark on a whirlwind adventure to the top 10 winter wonderlands across the globe. We're talking snow-capped peaks, cozy fireplaces, and enough holiday cheer to make even Scrooge crack a smile. And trust me, I've got a surprise destination at the end that's colder than my wife's side of the bed in July. So buckle up, grab your hot cocoa, and let's dive into a world of winter magic. First up, we're jetting off to Switzerland, a country so ridiculously picturesque you'd swear it was ripped straight from a holiday greeting card. We're talking about the majestic Swiss Alps, those towering peaks just begging to be conquered by skiers of all skill levels. And after a long day on the slopes, imagine cozying up in a charming chalet, sipping hot chocolate with a view that'll make your jaw drop. But here's the kicker, folks. Even the cows in Switzerland are stylish. Seriously, you might catch them sporting little cow scarves. Don't believe me? Go see for yourself. Next, we're heading over to the Great White North, Canada, where the air is crisp, the beer is cold, and the wildlife is friendlier than a Labrador puppy. We're making a beeline for Banff National Park, a sprawling wilderness of turquoise lakes, snow-dusted forests, and enough mountain goats to start your own petting zoo. But the real stars of the show here are the Northern Lights. Imagine gazing up at the night sky as it explodes in a symphony of color. It's enough to make you forget all about those sub-zero temperatures. Just remember, folks, watch out for the moose. They're the real locals here, and they have the antler size to prove it. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to experience a culture shock of the best kind. We're off to Japan, the land of the rising sun, bullet trains, and monkeys who know how to relax better than all of us. That's right, I said, monkeys in hot springs. Head to the Jigokudani Monkey Park, and you'll find these furry fellas chilling in steaming hot springs like they own the place. And honestly, they kind of do. But Japan's winter wonders don't stop there. Don't miss the Sapporo Snow Festival, a dazzling display of ice sculptures that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a winter fairy tale. Just try not to get into any snowball fights with the monkeys. They've got excellent aim. Chapter 4, Norway, where the sun takes a vacation. Get ready to chase the northern lights again, folks, because we're heading north, way north, to Norway. Specifically, we're landing in Tromsø, a city so far north that the sun takes a long winter vacation. But don't worry, the lack of sunlight only adds to the magic. Imagine this, cozying up in a glass-roofed igloo, sipping hot cocoa as the northern lights dance across the sky above you. It's an experience so surreal, you'll think you've stepped into a dream. Just remember to pack your warmest pajamas, because things can get a little chilly up here. But hey, at least you won't have to worry about sunburn. Chapter 5, Iceland, land of fire and ice. Next up, we're off to a land of stark contrasts, dramatic landscapes, and more sheep than you can shake a stick at. Iceland is a place where nature's extremes come together in the most breathtaking ways. That's right, we're talking about Iceland, a country where glaciers and volcanoes coexist in perfect harmony. Imagine towering ice formations right next to fiery volcanic craters, creating a surreal and otherworldly landscape. We're kicking things off in Reykjavik, Iceland's quirky capital city, where you can explore colorful buildings that stand out against the snowy backdrop, sample fermented shark, if you dare, a traditional delicacy that offers a unique taste of Icelandic culture, and soak in the geothermal pools, which are a perfect way to relax and warm up after a day of exploring. Speaking of soaking, no trip to Iceland is complete without a visit to the Blue Lagoon. This iconic geothermal spa is a must-see destination. This geothermal spa is basically Mother Nature's hot tub with its milky blue waters and steamy atmosphere providing a truly unique experience. And trust me, your skin will thank you for it. The mineral-rich waters are known for their healing properties, making it a rejuvenating experience. Just try not to think about the fact that the water is heated by a nearby volcano. It's a reminder of the powerful natural forces at play in this incredible country. It's all part of the Icelandic charm. From the vibrant city life in Reykjavik to the serene and dramatic landscapes, Iceland offers an adventure like no other. Whether you're exploring its natural wonders or indulging in its unique culture, this land of fire and ice will leave you spellbound. Chapter 6, Austria, where the pastries are as grand as the Alps. Hold on to your lederhosen, folks, because we're about to waltz into a winter wonderland straight out of a fairy tale. That's right, we're heading to Austria, the land of Mozart, schnitzel, and enough pastries to satisfy your sweet tooth for a lifetime. We're starting our Austrian adventure in Vienna, a city practically overflowing with imperial history, grand palaces, and Christmas markets that'll make you feel like you've stepped back in time. But let's be real, folks, we're all here for the pastries. From apple strudel to Sacher-Torte, Austrian bakeries are a symphony of sugar and spice, and everything is nice. Just be sure to pack your stretchy pants because you're going to need them. Chapter 7, Finland, the real Santa's crib. Ever dreamed of stepping into a real-life Christmas card? Well, pack your bags and brush up on your ho-ho-ho, because we're heading to Finland, the land of Santa Claus, reindeer, and enough snow to bury a small country. Our first stop is Santa Claus Village, a magical place where it's Christmas all year round. You can meet the big guy himself, send postcards from the Santa Claus post office, and even go for a reindeer sleigh ride. But Finland's winter wonders don't stop there. Head north of the Arctic Circle, and you might just catch a glimpse of the elusive northern lights dancing across the sky. Just be sure to bundle up, folks. It's colder than Santa's workshop up here. Chapter 8, New Zealand, where winter is summer's cooler cousin. Good day, mates. We're about to head down under, but not for the reasons you might think. Forget the scorching sun and sandy beaches. We're diving into a winter wonderland that's unlike any other. We're off to New Zealand, the land of kiwis, hobbits, and a winter that's more like a cool, crisp spring. Imagine a place where you can explore lush green landscapes and snow-capped mountains all in one day. That's right, folks, while the rest of the world is bundled up in parkas, New Zealand is busy hitting the slopes and soaking up the sun. Picture yourself skiing down pristine slopes under a bright blue sky. We're making a beeline for Queenstown, the adventure capital of the Southern Hemisphere, where you can bungee jump, whitewater raft, and ski all in one day. It's a thrill-seeker's paradise, offering a unique blend of adrenaline-pumping activities. And the best part? You can enjoy all of this without freezing your butt off. The mild winter temperatures mean you can partake in all these activities comfortably. Just be sure to pack your sense of adventure, because New Zealand is not for the faint of heart. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking to experience a different kind of winter, New Zealand has something for everyone. So, gear up and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Chapter 9, Germany, where fairy tales come to life. Get ready to raise a stein, folks, because we're about to step into a real-life fairy tale. Germany, a country rich in history and culture, transforms into a winter wonderland that feels like stepping into a storybook. That's right, we're heading to Germany, the land of beer, bratwurst, and enough castles to satisfy your inner Disney princess. Imagine exploring these majestic castles, each with its own unique story and charm, all blanketed in a layer of pristine snow. We're starting our German adventure in the Black Forest, a magical place of towering pines, shimmering lakes, and charming villages that look like they were plucked straight from the pages of a storybook. The Black Forest is not just a destination, it's an experience that immerses you in nature's beauty and the region's rich folklore. And speaking of storybooks, no trip to Germany is complete without experiencing the magic of a traditional Christmas market. These markets are a celebration of the holiday spirit, where you can find handcrafted gifts, festive decorations, and delicious seasonal treats. From Nuremberg to Cologne, these markets are a feast for the senses, with twinkling lights, the scent of gingerbread in the air, and enough glühwein to warm even the coldest of hearts. Each market has its own unique charm and traditions, making them a must-visit during the winter season. Just be sure to watch out for witches in the woods. The Black Forest is steeped in legends and fairy tales, and you never know what mystical creatures might be lurking in the shadows. You never know what you might find in the Black Forest. Whether it's a hidden village, a serene lake, or a snow-covered trail, the Black Forest offers endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. So bundle up, grab your sense of wonder, and get ready to explore this enchanting winter paradise. Chapter 10, Surprise Destination, the Enchanted Ice Caves. Get ready to embark on a journey to a place where magic and nature intertwine in the most breathtaking way. Nestled deep within the Arctic Circle, these ice caves are a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Imagine stepping into a world where every surface shimmers with mesmerizing blue hues and intricate ice formations that look like they were sculpted by the hands of mythical beings. The Enchanted Ice Caves offer a magical experience like no other. As you wander through these frozen corridors, you'll feel like you've been transported to another realm, one where time stands still and the only sounds are the soft echoes of your footsteps and the occasional drip of melting ice. The beauty of these caves is almost otherworldly, with light refracting through the ice to create a kaleidoscope of colors that dance before your eyes. This is not just a visit, it's an adventure that will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. The caves are accessible only during the winter months, adding an element of exclusivity and mystery to your journey. Guided tours ensure that you can explore safely while learning about the fascinating geology and history of this frozen wonderland. So, don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Bundle up, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to be enchanted by the icy beauty that awaits you in the Arctic Circle. The enchanted ice caves are calling, and it's time to answer. Chapter 11, USA, where the slopes are star-studded. Last but not least, we're bringing it back home to the good old US of A, a country that knows how to do winter right. And where better to experience the best of American winter than Aspen, Colorado? This legendary ski town is a playground for the rich and famous, with world-class slopes, luxurious accommodations, and enough fur coats to make a PETA member faint. But don't worry, you don't have to be a millionaire to enjoy Aspen. Whether you're a seasoned skier or a first-timer, there's a slope here for you. And who knows, you might even bump into a celebrity on the chairlift. Just try not to ask for an autograph while they're trying to enjoy their hot cocoa. Until next time, adventure awaits. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 winter wonderlands that are sure to satisfy your wanderlust and warm your soul. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the magical northern lights of Norway, there's a winter adventure out there for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to experience the magic of winter firsthand. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring even more incredible destinations. Until then, happy travels!